Welcome back to another daily doodle session. Today I'm going to try and draw a snowman. So we're going to start with our snowman's top hat right here. Then we're going to add the head of our snowman. About there. Then after this, we're going to start drawing out his scarf. Next, let's draw his body. And you can even add the bottom half. After this, let's add some arms. Alright, so let's add the face for our snowman. You can even add some buttons here. And just to finish it off, we're going to add a little bird here. Alright. And I decided that I would like to color mine in, so I'm going to add some red here. I am also going to color in my snowman's scarf. Of course you can choose any color, I just wanted to use red because it's going to make our picture pop. Give him some rosy cheeks. And just to finish it off, I'm going to color in his carrot nose. Alright, so that's our snowman for today. I'll come with something new tomorrow, and I hope to see you there.